Let's make the Ruth Bader Ginger. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Ruth Bader Ginger. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. This drink was created by the food author Ronnie Fein. Ronnie was having a discussion with her daughter about Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And at the time, 2015, there weren't any Ben & Jerry's ice cream flavors named after women, but a lot named after men. Throwing names back and forth, they came up with a name for an ice cream, the Ruth Bader Ginger. However, Ronnie Fein does not make a lot of ice cream, so she decided instead to make a cocktail named after Ruth Bader Ginsburgh, the Ruth Bader Ginger, and this is that cocktail. A note on the rum. This recipe calls for a dark rum. It is very spirit forward, so I'm going to suggest a nice dark rum. I'm going to be using Appleton Estate, their Rare Casks 12. But find a dark rum that you enjoy and try it in the drink, and if it turns out well, let me know in the comments down below. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1.5 ounces of the rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters, and I'm going to put that in a shaker. 1/2 ounce of ginger liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed orange juice. 1 teaspoon is something in metrics, which I'll put in the subtitles down below. I think it's 5. Finally, 1 or 2 pinches of ground cardamom. Now, I find 2 pinches to be too much, so 1 is what I'm going to use, but try what you like. Add some ice, and give it a shake. They suggest a stemmed glass. I'm going to use a coupe. You could also use a Nick and Nora or a cocktail glass, but they also said put a couple ice cubes in first, so I'm going to do that. 2 is perfect. 2 is a couple. Just double strain that into your glass. And garnish. Garnish with a twist of orange. Express. Wipe. And a mint leaf. Wake up. Carefully placed, obviously. And there you have it. The Ruth Bader Ginger. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Do you know any other rum-based drinks that are named after a woman? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know what they are. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me on those as well. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.